and take some seats. There's still some seats available here. The Love Our Locals program by Tourism Fiji in Naka.
I see opportunities like this where we can actually re-engineer and introduce new ideas with the purpose of creating financial impetus for Nadi and assisting our MSME businesses. Our Love Our Locals concept will enable locals to display their creativity in the lead up to our restoration of our tourism industry, which is also the heartbeat of Nadi and the Fijian economy. And at this juncture, I must congratulate and thank the Nadi Town Council for being a part of our Love Our Locals campaign. Your contribution, ladies and gentlemen, and support, especially during this time, gives hope and reassurance to the Fijians in the tourism industry and the food industry and other primary industries that Fiji will return to prosperity soon. To all the Fijians gathered here today, you are eyewitness to dedication and hard work of MSME businesses, some of whom I know were all actually part of the tourism business in any event, and businesses with a passion for linking our Fijian culture to visitors and to consumers. I want to take this opportunity to invite all the people of Nadi and nearby residents to enjoy our locally produced goods and services and contribute towards keeping Fijians employed. We need to develop a national sense of pride and loyalty for all our Fijian-made initiatives. Now, ladies and gentlemen, just last week when we launched the Love Our Locals campaign, I urged everybody to reflect on locations such as this new market in conjunction with the campaign and get behind our nation's initiatives. This is an appropriate time for us to support much needed economic activity inwardly. And remember, every dollar spent in our local markets acts as a beacon of hope in keeping Fijian businesses and Fijians continuing on our road to recovery post-COVID-19. It is for that reason it is important to keep our spirits high and be positive and work together during this difficult time. And today signifies the revival of businesses in Nadi and the resourcefulness of Fijians involved in this particular sector. As I said earlier, I take this opportunity to express my gratitude to all of you who have so generously helped this particular campaign be successful. This wouldn't be possible without you. It's not a very long speech, but I want to also remind you, all of you, to remember that we may be COVID-free, but we still need to maintain physical distancing and to maintain our COVID-free status, because that is a solution, and the solution to COVID-19 has not been found, and it's actually very important that we retain our status. It is for all of you to remember that there will be a new norm around for the whole world. And that new norm, in its simplest of forms, is physical distancing, washing your hands, and all of those things that government has actually put into place. So despite the fact that we are COVID-free, you must maintain and keep those things in your thoughts. It just requires re-engineering of the way we actually behave. And it will be the new norm. And it's not just for us, it's around the world. So with those few words, I encourage you all to enjoy the evening and encourage all our Fijians, and it's not just here, everywhere, to go local, love our locals, and do as much as you possible for our economy. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Vinaka.